Search PowerShell in Windows Search, right-click on Windows PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. Run the following command. If the output says true, you have the latest certificates already, and you don't have to do anything further. If it says false, you'll have to update and activate them. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the following command. This command will edit the registry to deploy the 2023 certificates. Now, to activate the instructions the command made, you need to run the following command in PowerShell. This command will run essential jobs for Windows to install the certificates on the next boot, like checking compatibility or moving new certificates from the WinSXS folder to the staging area. The most important step is to restart Windows twice. After you restart twice, your PC will now have the latest secure boot certificates that will last till 2038.